I decided to buy a brand and to do what I know to do. It's a huge financial burden.
Today, I want to talk about something that most entrepreneurs try to avoid: failure. A year ago, I took over Barge, a brand that means so much to me. I had a vision, a strategy, a plan. And most importantly, I set myself an ambitious goal to reach 1 million in revenue in my first year. And I believed in it. I was ready. But today, 1 year later, I've only reached 30% of that goal. And that's hard to say, because as entrepreneurs, we want to show that we have everything under control, that we are on the path to success. But the truth is, success is never a straight line. So why? Why didn't sales explode as expected? Why didn't I hit my target? I identified 4 main reasons that slowed me down. So number 1, high product return rates. On some pieces, we've had return rates up to 50%. Returns don't just mean lost sales, they also cost money, logistics, refunds, stock management. I realized that before scaling up, you have to perfect your product quality and fit. 2, production issues. When you want to scale quickly, every production issue becomes a wall. Delays, cutting errors, fabric shortages. We had to rework our entire process before even thinking about scaling. Number 3, market reality versus my vision. Barge is known for bold wedding outfits, and I wanted to scale into everyday basics. But my customers, they kept asking for signature event pieces. Lesson: what you want to sell is not always what people want to buy. And number 4, a 100% pre-order model. Barge runs on a zero stock pre-order model to avoid overproduction. But customers, do they want to wait their pieces? Of course not, they want their pieces right now. So they don't like waiting. And this naturally slows down sales. All of this forced me to slow down and rethink my approach. So I took the hard decision. Facing these challenges, I had 2 options. First, push harder, no matter what, invest aggressively, take bigger financial risks. Or number 2, slow down to grow stronger. So I choose the second option. Not because I like ambition, but because entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. So here's my new approach. New target, 500K in revenue, stronger production process, keeping our French production but testing Portugal, listening to our customers, adapting collections while keeping Barge DNA, and then I take 100% control from financing to production to paid marketing. So I'm in charge of every single step inside the brand. But look, this is not a step backward. It's a restructuring for long-term success. What did I learn from all this? Entrepreneurship is not about executing a perfect plan, it's about adapting. Challenges are not failures, they are just business realities. And success is about balancing your vision with what the market actually wants. So I wish I could be here telling you, I hit the 1 million goal. But instead, I'm here sharing what I have learned. And one thing I know for sure, Barge will hit that 1 million, because hard work always pays off. So if this video resonated with you, give it a like, subscribe, and share in the comments what's your biggest challenge as an entrepreneur. And remember, what's really holding you back from the next level? Sometimes the answer is simpler than you think.